welcome to the Pacific Echo.
For this video, I am going to show you how you can use Pythagorean theorem in a given problem or in real life. Alright, so here we have a statement there. A large field has two sides that meet at a right angle. So here is the field that has two sides that meet at right angle. Now the lengths are 30 meters and 40 meters. The farmer wants to fence straight across the field. So the field is 30 meters, the field is 40 meters, and the farmer wants to fence straight across the field. That's the line there. Alright, so the question is, how long is the diagonal fence? So how long will be, or is the fence, the diagonal fence? So we are going to find the distance of this diagonal fence. Alright, so now in order for us to find the distance of the diagonal fence, we are going to use Pythagorean theorem to help us find the distance of this fence here. Alright, so here is the Pythagorean equation: a squared plus b squared. B squared is equals to c squared. Right, this is the Pythagorean equation. Right, so now we have the measurements given here. We have 30 meters and 40 meters. So what we are going to do, we are going to substitute this measurements or distance into the given equation or formula here. So let's say a squared is 30 squared plus b squared is 40 squared, which is equal to c squared. Now in other words, we are going to find, again, look at this diagram here. In other words, we are going to find the longest part of a triangle. We are actually finding the hypotenuse of these two triangles here. Alright, so anyway, let's continue with the calculation. Alright, so the first thing you have to do, or we will do, is we are going to square these numbers. Alright, so 30 square is equal to 900 plus 40 square is equal to 1600, which is equals to c squared. Alright, oh, my apology. Alright, okay, so we have 900 plus 1600. So the next step after this is we are going to add these results. We're going to add these results. So 900 plus 1600 will be 2500. Alright, so there we go. We have 2500, and this is not our final answer. The next step after this is we are going to find the square root of this number here. So again, the next step is finding the square root. So there we go. We have c squared is equal to 2500, and the square root of 2500 is 50. There you go. So c is equals to 2500, and therefore our final answer, the diagonal fence, or the distance of the diagonal fence, is 50 meter. There we go. All right, that's our final answer.